I just came back from doing a gig and it was good. But I get to my mailbox and I got a package. I get packages all the time, but this package is special. This is from my buddy Matt, who on YouTube goes by Awesome Wood Things. Matt has like 55 channels. No, I know there's at least like 8 or 10 of them. But he goes by Awesome Wood Things. And I can't wait to see what he has in store for me in this package because Matt is a very creative individual. So, first of all, I'm not sure if he sells these or not, but I'll find that out for you. I'll put that in the first comment if it finds out this is something that he does. But I just had to make this video, even though this might be something you can't get. That sounds weird. I know. But Matt is such a good guy, and we absolutely love him. He's a great member of the community. And there was no way I was going to get this package and not open it up on screen. First, let me stop blabbering and open the package because I don't want to cry. But you guys know I had a rough, couple of days. So this came just in time. I'm about to leave to go to Chicago to speak at Podcast Movement Evolutions and then to go to NAB to do that thing. And I thought I wasn't going to see it before I left. So I always say to you guys, sparkle some joy. I don't mean like, Marie Kondo, fold some clothes. I mean, go out there and do something really dope for somebody because you never know when it's going to hit them at the right moment. And Matt, my brother, today was that day. Like I'm still pushing, but it's hard. So to open this box, the mailbox today, and I saw this package with your name and my name on it. Thank you, brother. Thank you from the bottom of my cold ass heart. Love you. Let's get in. Let's see what he got for me. Oh, I'm curious. I'm going to do the careful open. I don't want to jack anything up. But let's get a little first layer scratch. You know what? This looks like there's some type of protective joint. I'm sorry. I'm going to open this carefully because I don't want to hurt nothing inside. Carefully. Maybe I should stop playing with that. Oh, there we go. We got breach. We have a breach of package. Now I will saw carefully towards myself. The other day, guys, I was opening something and I told myself, move your finger before you cut. And I sliced the tip of my finger. It was super stupid. Okay, so let's get in and let's see where Brother Matt. Oh, I missed that smell. Okay, you guys might not know this about me. Prior to taking over as community manager at Ecamm and then now the director of strategic partnerships, I ran a laser fabrication business. This is what I did. So I miss that smell. Bro, I miss that smell. All right. He left me a little note for the first time. I don't know. Should I read this? What in case it says something sexy? For the first time, I have physical items in my store. It's a little scary. Hey, he does have a store. The easy way to find them is to visit awesomewoodthings.com/sign. Look, I'm going to do this now so I don't have to do it in Final Cut. awesomewoodthings.com/sign. I will ship to USA and Canada. People from other countries can DM me and I'll work with them. This is all kind of new, but I'm having fun. I don't know if I offer dope or mahalo signs in my store, but if you have thoughts, please share. I pretty much love all your videos. I don't always comment, but I'm learning, improving thanks to your many efforts. Appreciate all you do for the fam. If you need anything, holla. Matt. Man, Matt, come on, brother. Come on. First of all, listen, I'm going to stop delaying, but thank you, Matt. Again, you just never know when you're going to catch somebody at the right time, bro. You got me. Listen, I'm going to rock this baby proud. All right, let's go. Let me get this open. Oh, when I used to laser engrave, I love that smell, especially when you do wood. Burning leather, different story. Wood, it's kind of cool. I was watching the Peter McCormick video today, and his boy was at the running his laser engraver for a leather shop, and I was like, damn, I kind of missed that. Okay, don't write on the keyboard. It's time for a new blade. All right, here we go. This is what Matt has made for me. These are cool. Look at here. Let's get it out. Boom, 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 boom. Mahalo. Oh, come on, dog. Come on, dog. Look at here. I can just be like, when I get a super chat, nice, Matt, nice, nice. Got a, here, let me get these tapes off. I don't want to break nothing. I'm that dude that'll rip a package open and break everything. Ooh, come here. Come here. Ride slow, homie. Dude, he got this good low-tech Scotch tape. This is cool. All right. So next up, we have Shebang. You're on mute. Love that. Absolutely love that. Next off the dot, we got, if you're watching this, press the like button. You can animate. Yeah, Bubba. This is cool. Don't get tape on your hairy knuckles by accident. You have the share. Boom. This is cool, Matt. The paint is nice. The glue up is nice. The laser cut is nice. Oh, I got this one. You ain't gonna get one of these, but I got one. Oh, come on. Please subscribe. Yo, Matt, son, this is all day fire. All day fire. So you can now have physical signs to say like, subscribe, ring the notification. I can't do this. How do you do it, Taisha? Taisha does this good. Hold on. Like, subscribe, press the notification button, and share. And then, mahalo. Matt, brother, I appreciate you. Nothing I love more than creators that creating things. And as a person who's making their own products too, trust me, I feel you on the scary part. It does get scary at times, but I appreciate this. This came at a good day, brother. Came at a good day. I'm gonna have to stop this video before I get emotional on the channel again. But thank you guys for sticking by me. I saw all your positive messages. I'll answer you guys when I'm in the plane. If that stupid Starlink works. But yeah, man, today I needed this. I really, really needed this. Thank you, Matt. I love you, brother. I appreciate everything you do for the Ecamm fam. Family, do something nice for somebody, bro. It's never too late. So let's go find anybody you see. Just do something nice for them. Spread some positivity in this ever effed up world. I love you guys. Sorry, it's not crazy or any advice today. This one's for me. Aloha.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver